Okay, I've got a 150mm Forestwest chipper. I haven't used palm fronds yet. I've run it through all the rest of our wood and I'm going to try some palm fronds. Okay, so this was the pile of palm fronds, but they've all gone. It took a little bit to get in, but most of them went in. I'll just show you the ones that probably couldn't go in because they're a bit thick at the end. That's these ones. So I wouldn't try putting those through. And there's the end result of most of it. The fronds themselves didn't mulch as great as the rest of the wood, but it still chopped them up a bit. Hope you enjoyed.